Here we have a 2019 Mercedes AMG GLC 43 4MATIC. Now this vehicle comes with 21-inch alloy wheels, all in excellent condition. You can even see the AMG brake calipers just behind. We also have the obsidian black metallic paintwork along with the LED headlights. Coming around to the passenger side, you'll find the second alloy wheel. We also have the side steps along the bottom, the colour-coded door handles and door mirrors. We have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Taking a look at the third alloy wheel just down here. This vehicle does have front and rear parking sensors with 360-degree cameras. Coming around to the rear, you'll find the quad-tip exhaust along with a power-assisted tailgate, which opens with a simple press of a button. Inside of here, you'll find plenty of space for whatever you may need. We have a storage net on that side along with a 12-volt connectivity. If we press this button, you see that it closes, as simple as that. This vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. Coming around, and let's have a look at the interior now. In the back you'll find the half leather interior with the red stitching and the red seat belts. We have the foldable armrest in the centre, the fixed ISO points just down there. We have the vents for the rear passengers. Onto the doors you'll find the brushed metal handle, the electric windows and again the leather trim. In the front you'll find the same half leather interior, however these front seats are heated and they are electrically adjustable. Just there and there. We have the electric windows with child lock for the rear, the electric power folding mirrors. We also have the auto lights just down there. Flat bottomed multifunctional steering wheel which has a stalk for speed limiter and cruise control just down there. If we take a seat inside, put our foot on the brake and press the start button, the vehicle will start up for us, and as you can see we are free from any warning lights on the dashboard. Now we have this visual display in the centre which we can change different views, so as you can see there we can change it to miles per hour. If we go over into the centre console you'll find the main infotainment screen which has the likes of navigation, where we can get the map up just like so. We also have radio which has FM, DAB and AM. We have media which has Bluetooth audio, we have CDs, we have memory cards and media interfaces. We have the phone connectivity just there. Also if we put the car into reverse you'll find the 360-degree cameras just there which we can scroll between just like so. All of these are also on the pictures. Let's put the car back into park. We also have the different drive modes. So for example we have Eco, we have Comfort, Sport, Sport Plus and Individual. Moving further down you'll find all of the air conditioning and the climate control just there. We have the shortcuts for the infotainment screen. Inside of here you'll find a bit of storage space with a 12-volt connectivity. We also have two good sized cup holders. Here are the different drive select modes. We have the suspension button, the traction control button. This button is for the air suspension, so if we press that, as you can see the vehicle is now rising. We also have a armrest just here which can be opened up for extra storage. Inside of here you'll find the SD card slot along with two USB ports. Now that is everything that I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more please check out the website. This vehicle comes with a fresh service, fresh MOT, HPI clear, competitive finance deals, free nationwide next day delivery. Thank you for watching.